maintain anything, just dump the trash.
You just don't want to spread the dreaded disease.
Yeah, but it's outside and it's dispersed. I don't understand.
Let's read the sign. To the general public. Oh, we're not general.
Okay.
We got a phone number to call.
What's it saying? Why is it closed?
As life during the COVID-19 era continue to change our lives, ride along with Hawkeye and Jeannie as they continue their journey visiting many cities, communities, and towns in California to see what is really going on. Witness how communities are dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic and their struggle to stay healthy and escape the economic crush and reopen their doors for business. Please take this opportunity to click the subscribe button to be notified of future episodes. Please click the thumb up icon. Share this video with someone. I am Delmer, the announcer. Please note that our videos are not scripted. We try to be factual as much as possible. Most is documentary style. Kind of like Hugh Hauser, except without the talking head. All information is deemed reliable, however, not guaranteed.
the tollway zone we don't know about. We can still open our back doors, our side doors.
Welcome again to Hawkeye's Hangout. Our most recent trip was from home to Mescal Valley, California. We went up to Acton, California, Soledad Canyon, stayed at the KOA campground there. Got up the next morning, went to this cherry farm. You pick cherries there, Leona Valley. And that was quite an experience. For some reason, don't have much video of that visit, but if you ever have the opportunity, it's youpickcherries.com. From there, we ventured westerly to Elizabeth Lake, Lake Hughes, Castaic Lake near Interstate 5, a short distance, and then took California Highway 126 westbound into Ventura. You know, we heard that the beaches and campgrounds and all that parks were going to be open, but no, that wasn't the case. Although there were certain stretches where you could stop for, and park for a while and go to the water, but there was no overnight parking anywhere. We spent the night at Ventura Beach RV Park, right there where the US 101 and State Route 33 come together and the Ventura River. Very nice place. From there we drove along the coast, southbound through Oxnard, Port Hueneme before Oxnard, and eventually past Point Magoo and drove along the coast till we got into Malibu, where we went to Paradise Cove.
Was protests. Nathan Roberts is in next. These stories with traffic every 10 minutes divides coming up in 5 minutes after CBS News at 12 o'clock. This is CBS News on the Hour, your home for original reporting. I'm Peter King, live at the Kennedy Space Center where NASA and SpaceX hopes to begin a new era in spaceflight in just over 22 minutes. Spacecraft in this test flight is part of commercial contract from NASA. Astronauts dug early and thought the weather again is holding up, no technical problems.
It was a pain in the ass to have to go all the way around the building.
Here's Allison Keys.
There are more protests right now around the nation, some violent over the killing of George Floyd. CBS's Jeff Begay is in Minneapolis.
We heard states and local officials here in the Twin Cities area and in Minnesota trying to separate the agitators from the people who are peacefully protesting. And that's why you heard in their message this repeated plea for people who cared about George Floyd, who care about that issue of police-community relations. Stay home tonight. Don't come out on these streets.
President Trump wants Minneapolis to crack down on the protesters.
They've got to get tougher. They've got to get tougher. They've got to be strong. Honor the memory of George Floyd.
Did you exceed the hour?
They have to get tougher.
Maybe.
And by being tougher, they will be honoring his memory.
But
Yeah, here
CBS
comes the
News
man.
medical contributor Dr. David Agus has a warning.
There are 2 studies done, one in...
How you doing, man? I don't know, we paid, up there, but I thought you validated. Does that work?
Did validation in the first hour? You got your ticket validated?
Yeah, 10:54. Okay, so I went over by 6 minutes.
Yeah, the validation only up to the first hour.
Okay, so how much is for the last 6 minutes?
If it
$35.
was less than the 6 minutes, so if you were like under your hour, it would be free. But if you pass over the first hour, it's a flat rate of 55 cents.
Yeah, wait a minute, man. I got to pay $50
Yeah,
for the extra 6 minutes.
that's parking. Yeah. Yes.
I mean, we spent $60 for food, and the thing says you only have to spend a minimum of 30. So you're saying $50?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on, man. All right, what's your name? Pablo? Okay, Pablo's telling me, we went over our parking thing here by 6 minutes, and we owe $50. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. What now? I appreciate you coming over here and helping me, man, because I probably would have crashed through that gate. Thank you, Pablo.
How much for that?
You two stay safe. Sorry, I should have my mask on.
I asked you if we were.
Yeah, but I didn't think the consequences were that radical.
Well, we read it all before we went in.
Paradise Cove, Malibu, California. Closed down, just takeout, delivery only, just about like everybody else, even though this weekend I thought they were lifting restrictions, and you think they would be the ideal situation because they're like right on the sand there, right on the beach. Nice place. But, under the current COVID health and safety standards, they had 2 takeout windows, one just for booze and cocktails. No places you can't sit and drink. You can come up and get your Budweiser, I guess, and a shot of tequila and go back out to your car. On the beach side, they had a takeout window. Ordered some food and got to go stick my toe in the water. It was cold. But, I said it was a beautiful Saturday morning in Malibu, California. The place was crowded. Police everywhere. Back to the story. Paradise Cove, cool place. It was $21 for a cheeseburger, $19 tuna salad sandwich. Came some fries, came in this container like this, and sandwich here, fries there, nice napkins. Gave you some cutlery that was made out of wood. Sounds like a great idea. If it happens to end up in the ocean, it'll deteriorate within a reasonable amount of time. Metal, and this plastic here, because of their close proximity to the ocean, I'm not sure if that's a cool idea. But it's a class act anyway. This justifies the money, and I understand business is down because they have a less traffic flow. Bob Morris, Paradise Cove Cafe, man. A lot of times you had to sit and wait, to get a table there, especially if you wanted to sit on the edge. And they had a full bar, but now you gotta take your drinks to go. I'm not sure if that's legal. Anyway, I want to get off that. It's a negative thing. I hope this video finds you alive and well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, leave me any comment, or my email address is coronahawkeye@yahoo. Love you all. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, you got that right, dude. We will be back.
Hello. This is Delmer, the announcer. The moral to Hawkeye's subjective story is to read the sign. Obey, comply, be subservient, just give in and do not resist. Life is easier that way. When he was young, It was question authority and think for yourself. Life was tough back then. And now they are getting used to van life. Good luck. Click the subscribe button to be notified when new episodes of Hawkeye's Tales and Trails is released. You will not believe what is going to happen next.